Good morning, my friends. This is Ian over at Buildabizonline. It's now the 5th of the 5th, 23. Quite zooming by. Anyway, the purpose of this video, it's a brand new video just to show you around the members area. It's been tidied up so that you don't have to keep scrolling up and down. Okay, we needed tidy it up, and that's what I've done today. So let me just show you around. So the top section is still the same. When you click on this button, it will always bring you back to this page, the members home. And this one, when you've finished with your Buildabizonline members area for the day or whatever it is, always log out. It's safer to do that, and nowadays amongst all these cyber attacks. I'm not saying it's ever happened, I don't think it has, but always do that anyway. That's what I do. And then you've got your tools and your drop down menu at the top. Okay, now new on the left hand side, I did have some little boxes, but I thought, well, we'll tidy it up a bit. And so what you've got at the top is your sponsors programs. And this is the video that you're watching now, navigating your members area. You've got a quick start guide for Buildabizonline, how to get started in PDF form. You can advertise to all our members if you wanted to do that, either in banner form or, as you can see down the bottom, in text form. You can build your downline faster. Now, I use this tool since Martin put it together, and it is really good. I've built my downline, which is really, really cool. So use that to promote Buildabizonline. It's the best tool that we've got. You can view your downline just here once they start building up. Okay, and you can actually mail your downline from up the top here. Okay, so building your downline. So build your downline, and you can, where are we? Email your downline just there. Okay, so that's that. And also, if you are a surfer of traffic exchanges, you can get your credits 200% faster by using this. Sadly, it's a one-time payment, but it's really, really good, and it's cost effective. I can really tell you that. Okay. What we've got here is your membership level. Just a little welcome and your membership level. So if that's not right, let me know. Excuse me. We did a little survey some time back. And that is the result just there. So take a peek at that. What our members say and what they wanted. And just a little message here saying that we don't want to overwhelm you. Just follow these 4 steps that you can see just here to get started. Once you've followed these and you've implemented them, we call you an active member, because we do get a lot of free members that join us, have a look round, and then do nothing. So once you put these 4 steps into operation, as I call it, then we count you as an active member. So just follow those steps. They're really simple. Okay, and as I say, you can advertise in text format to all our members and visitors. These text ads are placed within the different pages of Buildabizonline. Okay, so if you want to do that, there's some cheap advertising for you there. Now, we are all affiliate members, or the majority of us are. Some people use our website, our service for building different websites, you know, promoting offline things, I should say. But most of us are affiliate marketers, so it's a great place to advertise. So there we have it. And also right down the bottom, you don't need to scroll too very often, is our legal paperwork, as I call it. So there we have it, our documents and texts and things like that. So there we have it. Short and sweet. Thanks for listening. Bye.